before we placed the order, we had 3,346 followers, right? You can see 3,346 followers, right? And we ordered 100 followers. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh to see if these followers have already entered. So we don't need to draw this thing down right here. Boom, as you can see right here, we have 3,473 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already counted. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually boost your TikTok followers in 2026 with this new algorithm hack. It's very simple. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, basically I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website. It's called growbetter.net. All you need to do is for you to come to this website. When you come to this website, do the same thing I'm going to be doing, which is the first one is to create an account and fund your account and follow the step I'm going to be taking, and you are going to boost your TikTok followers. So let's go. Right, so all we need to do firstly, when you come to this platform, this is exactly how it look like. So we need to create an account. So how do you now create an account? You just need to come right here. Can you see this sign up right here? Can you see the sign up right here? You just need to tap on it. And once you tap on the sign up, the next thing you're going to be seeing is a place where you need to put your username. Once you put your username right here, put your email, and then put your password right here and confirm your password. And you can see this place they wrote, "I'm not a robot," right? You just need to tap on it, right? So once you tap on it, you allow it to tick basically. And the next thing is for you to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to create an account in this platform. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I just need to do is for me to actually log in. So let me log in. So right now I've logged in. As you can see right here, this is exactly how it look like when you come to this website. Very easy, right? So if you want to actually boost your TikTok followers, all you need to do is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see this category? Tap on it and you will see other different services in this platform: Instagram followers, TikTok followers, Facebook followers. Every social media is here, even Twitch, even Kick, everything is here. So but today we're going to be looking for TikTok followers. So let's go and look for TikTok followers. So I'm going to be using this particular one, TikTok followers, 10% drop, fast delivery. I need something that is fast delivery because I want it to deliver in this video, right? So let's select this, and for this service you just need to come to the service and select any preferable service you want, but I'm going to be using the first one. You can read the description said quality, which is the users you're going to be getting are global, which is worldwide profile, and they say that start time is instant, and they say that speed is 20,000 a day, which means you can get 20,000 followers a day, and refill for 10 days. And they said important note, when the service is busy, the starting speed might varies, and they also say do not place second order on the same link when your current order is not completed in the system. So let me say for instance you placed an order and your order have not been completed. You just need to exercise patience so that your order complete before placing another order with the same link, because if you place two orders on the same link, it will contradict both of them and none of them is going to deliver. So take note of that. The next thing is for you to come to this place, the road link, and put your link, right? So how do you now copy your link? Let me show you guys quickly how to copy a link. We need to go to TikTok, so right here I'm on TikTok. You can see this TikTok has 3,346 followers currently, and I'm going to be adding 100 followers in this video so to make it 3,446. So if you want to copy your link, all you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it, and you can see this copy link right here. Tap on it, and your link is already copied. Then come back to Grow Better, paste your link, and come to this quantity and put the amount you want. So in this video I'm going to be putting only 100, and once you put your quantity, next you need to do is for you to click on the submit right here. And as you can see right here, they said your order received, which means our order has been received. All we need to do is to just wait, and this order will start coming in easy peasy. All right, so but there's something I want you guys to understand, that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? It's very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see the three line up here? Tap on it, and by your left hand side right here you can see this add fund right here. Tap on it, and it will bring you to this place. You can see this dot right here, tap on it, and you can see it, Quora Pay and manual pay are here, which is the two payment options in this platform. So I'm going to be teaching you how to use both of them. So if you want to use Quora Pay, select Quora Pay and put the amount you want and click on this pay right here. So once you click on the pay, and it's going to load, and Quora Pay is going to ask you how would you want to pay: debit card, pay with bank transfer or pay with bank, right? So depending on the one you want, if you want to pay with debit card, select it, put your card details and pay, right? Easy peasy. Or if you want to pay with bank transfer, select bank transfer, and they will tell you to read this instruction right here. If you read this instruction, then click on this continue right here, and boom, Corapay is going to provide account number. As you can see, account number right here. They have provided account number for you. Just need to make transfer to the account number. You don't need to do anything. The thing will automatically rotate and your balance is going to be reflected. So let me show you guys how to use manual. So if you want to use manual, you don't need to come select manual and read the instruction right here. Instruction stated, kindly make payment to the account below, right? You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary and everything. They say provide proof of payment, which is the payment screenshot with your username, so that the payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So all you need to do is either you click on this link, on this contact us, or you click on this WhatsApp icon. Can you see this WhatsApp icon right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will take you to the WhatsApp number, and they are going to complete your payment for you. So just if you go to the WhatsApp number, send your proof of payment and your Grobeta username, they are going to confirm your payment for you, right? So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform, you know. So we just need to go back to TikTok to check if the followers we bought is already counting, right? So you remember before we placed the order, we had 3,346 followers, right? You can see 3,346 followers, right? And we ordered 100 followers. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh to see if these followers have already entered. So we don't need to draw this thing down right here. Boom, as you can see right here, we have 3,473 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already counted. So let's go to this notification, and when it comes to the notification, you can see this new followers right here. You can see 99 plus, and once you tap on it, you can see these people just came in now 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. You can see the order we ordered, they just came in right now 1 minute ago. All of them, they are 1 minute ago. You can see. So this is exactly how to actually boost your TikTok followers in 2026 with this simple hack. All you need to do is to come to this platform, growbetter.net. The link is in the description. Do the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers easy peasy. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.